Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Moya with Baddies in the Bag, and I want to welcome you guys to my self-love and appreciation mental health positivity corner. This is what I am bringing on my channel. You can expect one of these videos at least once a week. It's supposed to be a video that is very relaxing. It's supposed to be a place where you come and unleash your mind, relax, a place where we can all take a breath from our busy day. We're going to be starting off the video with a breathing exercise. So this is my timer. We're going to take the 5 minutes to unleash all single thing that we have been through today. We're going to do some deep breath exercises and we're going to repeat some affirmations. The timer has started. I want you guys to close your eyes. Think about absolutely nothing. I don't want anything at all on your mind. And I want you to take a deep breath in, out, in, out. Now we're gonna do this 3 more times. Do not think about anything. Nothing at all should be on your mind. In, out, in, out. Last breath. In, out. Awesome. Now what I want you guys to do is I want you to repeat after me. I give myself space to grow and learn. I allow myself to be who I am without judgment. I listen to my intuition and trust my inner guide. I accept my emotions and let them serve their purpose. I give myself the care and attention that I deserve. My drive and ambition allow me to achieve my goals. I am doing fine and getting better every day. I am loved and worthy. I am optimistic because today is a new day. I am valued and helpful. I do all things in love. I am responsible for myself. Now we have like a minute remaining, so for this minute I want you guys to just close your eyes, think about absolutely nothing. Listen to your heartbeat, listen to your breathing. Release the stress of today. Release the heavy weight of the past. Release anything that has been holding you back. Listen to the silence. Listen to your breathing. Listen to your heartbeat. Let it all go. Listen to the sound of my voice. Listen to the sound of your heart. Listen to your breathing. And 1. Awesome. I want to start off by showing you guys 2 things that I have in my life that has helped me out so much. I have my prayer jar and I also have my manifestation jar. And within these jars, if you guys take a look, you can see that I have little papers that almost look like little scrolls in the bottom. And these are my manifestations that I've written and dropped into the jar. And these are prayers that I've written as well every morning, started like 4 days ago. Being that this is a new year, I'm working on my spiritual self, my mental health, and I'm trying to elevate myself in the right way. And I want to say, since I've started my journey, I've started probably like 4 days ago, I've realized that every single where I turn, I have seen an angel number. No joke. Every single day since I've started my journey, I've been seeing angel numbers from left to right. And then for my manifestation, I've been working on the scripting method, which is a method of manifestation where you write it down the things that you want or whatever your manifestation is, and you set that letter aside and just trust in the universe. The universe will do its job. So that's the scripting method of manifestation that I've started. You guys can try these methods as well. I'm going to be sharing 15 habits that you need to stop right now. 15 habits that you don't need to bring over with you in 2024. The first habit I want to share with you guys that you need is doubting yourself. Self-doubt doesn't do anything for you. All it does is hold you back in life and stop you from achieving any goals that you have set. You need to stop doubting yourself. Whatever it is that you wanted to do, you need to take the initiative and you need to do it. Understand that the more you doubt yourself is the more yourself's going to believe that you cannot do it. And remember, nothing tried, nothing done. The second thing is letting mistakes define you. We're all human beings. Mistake happens. The only thing I would say is make sure that you are learning from your mistakes moving forward. We're humans. No one's perfect. You made a mistake. Lulu la la. We all made mistakes. The third thing is stop comparing yourself to others. Each is his own and each human being is a different person. You cannot compare your progress with other people. You cannot compare anything, your looks, anything at all. You cannot compare with others because everyone was made to be who they are. Everyone was made to be different. And if someone's progress is going faster than yours, it doesn't mean that yours will never get somewhere. And this will start leading to self-doubt. So you'll start doubting yourself and believing that you cannot make it. You need to stop comparing to others. Number 4 is complaining. Complaining is never good. Whenever you complain, that's you convincing your mind that something is wrong with you. That's you convincing your mind that whatever it is that you're working towards, you're never going to achieve it. You need to drop the complaining. If something didn't go your way, tell yourself that it's going to be better tomorrow. Number 5, letting your past define you. Yesterday is very heavy. Put it down. Put yesterday down. Don't live yesterday. You know why? You cannot change anything that happened in the past. It happened in the past and it was the past for a reason. Ain't nothing you could do to change it. Why are you going to stress yourself? Why are you going to kill yourself about it? It's nothing you could do. It's only going to drive you crazy and it's only going to stop you from achieving your right goals that you really want to achieve in life. Put it down. Number 5, not practicing self-love. I know life happens sometimes, and sometimes along with self-doubt, we start to not love ourselves. We start to make other people push us around because we feel like we're not worthy. We need to start loving ourselves. That's the only way that we're going to win. Self-love is important. If you don't love yourself, everything about yourself, then baby, it don't even make sense. Like, what are you here for? You have to love yourself. And if you are someone who struggle with not loving themselves, girl, you have to work on that. If you don't love yourself, how can you expect someone else to love you? Number 7, negative energy, whether it be from friends or family. It got to go. Any type of negative energy is never good for you. You have to surround yourself with positive energy, positive vibes. You give out positive, you get positive in return. You surround yourself with a lot of gossiping friends and families, then baby, you're going to be trapped into that circle of gossip, that circle of negativity. You want to release that. And sometimes some of us, we feel like because they're family, we owe them an obligation. We don't owe nobody nothing. And if your family is toxic and your family is a part of the reason why you can't move forward in life and you can't love yourself, don't be afraid to drop it. This is going to bother you. This is going to affect you. Number 8, critiquing yourself a lot. Stop critiquing yourself. Stop saying bad things about yourself. Stop talking bad about yourself. What you need to understand is that the power of the tongue is very powerful. The words that you say are what happens. If you're talking bad on yourself and you're critiquing yourself and you're saying, oh, I'm ugly, oh, I'll never be that, oh, I'll never get in that position, oh, I'll never, that's exactly what's going to happen. Start thinking positively and build on that self-love. Number 9, being a pushover and allowing people to treat you any way they like. That has to stop. One thing that I've learned throughout my entire little life, I know I haven't been on this earth for such a very, very long time, but one thing that I've learned for sure is the first time someone treats you badly or out of character and you allow that to slide, they're gonna do it again. And they're gonna do it again and 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 again until you put a stop to it. You need to stand up for yourself. You need to speak up for yourself. And you need to stop it right in the track. Number 10, not prioritizing self-care. The better you look, the more likely you are to feel good about yourself. The more likely you are to love yourself. You have to take care of yourself. Whether it be a little massage, whether it be a little pedicure, whether it be a little hairdo, whatever it is, you have to make sure that you are taking care of yourself. Because the sweeter you smell, the cuter you look, that's how you're going to feel about yourself. If you are walking around in your house or wherever it is looking raggedy, hair all messy, everything just out of place, it's just going to bring depression on you. I'm speaking about this from experience, because whenever I feel or get into my little funk, which we all get into funk sometimes, and feel a little depressed, I just go brush my hair up, put on a little lip gloss, and I felt 100 times better than I did before doing that. Number 11, stop taking things too seriously. Sometimes we make other people draw us out, meaning sometimes we make other people get us out of character. We need to let what people say not affect us too much. We need to focus our energy on positive things. We need to not really care about what others say about us, because the more we care, the more it's going to affect us. This is your life. You have to take control of your own life. There's no one else living your life but you. Another perspective is life. If you run short on cash, we have a tendency to start getting depressed. We have a tendency to worry about how are we gonna pay this bill? Where is this money gonna come from? And we need to stop. We need to just have faith that it's all gonna work out and stop taking it too serious. I get it. Yes, it's serious, because if you don't pay your rent, you're gonna get thrown out. But think about it positively, because whatever we think in our minds and whatever we say through our mouths or with our tongue is what's going to happen. So instead of sitting back and worrying about where this money is going to come from to cover this bill, let's say the bill is going to get paid and I'm going to get that money and it's going to get paid. I'm not even going to worry about it because it's going to happen. Number 12, stop watering every flower. I know we all want to help people. Some of us, we have such an extremely great heart, but understand this: you cannot save the world. Unfortunately, you have your own life as well to focus on. You have your own self as well to focus on. Sometimes we take on other people's problems and it just mess with our mental health. In this world, we ended up sometimes have to choose ourselves, because at the end of the day, you're gonna be there for you. You're living your life, no one else is. Number 13, celebrate the small things. A lot of times we forget to do this. We have to celebrate the small things. Whatever small achievements we make, whatever small goals we achieve, we have to celebrate. We have to feel good, because that's something that we have been working hard towards, that we were able to make happen. And when you celebrate the small things, it helps us to want to go more. It helps us to want to fight more in life. It helps us to want to go for our goals and go for what we want more than ever. Number 14, cut off toxic people. I can't say this enough. People in your life that are toxic and bring negative energy and are just completely toxic people, you have to cut them off, because all that energy is going to be released on you. You don't want that at all. No, you don't. Toxic people will get you entangled or tangled up into their mess and bring you down with them. Toxic people, you have to release. You have to release, whether it be a toxic relationship, whether it be a toxic family member, you have to let it go. And last but not least, number 15, acknowledge your feelings. Whatever it is that you're feeling, it's okay to acknowledge it. Oftentimes we let our feelings slide because of other people, or we don't want this person to feel some type of way, or whatever it is. You have to understand that your feelings matters the most, because you are you and you're living your life. No one else is living our lives for us. Our lives is ours and it's in our hands. We have to make the necessary moves that we have to make things work for us and to make us live our lives to the best of our abilities. Make these necessary changes. Out of the 15 habits that I've listed to you, I know that a few may apply to you. You want to change these things. This is how we're going to elevate ourselves. This is how we're going to build ourselves. This is how we're going to be strong. This is how we're going to be successful people. This is the beginning. This is where it starts. All the bad habits, all the things we used to let slide, it ends now. You're depressed. I get it. You're going to get over your depression. Get up. You've been wanting to start a YouTube channel. Get up. Begin, girl. You have wanted to start your own business. Get up. You have been wanting this new job. Get up. You want to try out restaurants. You want to travel the world. Get up. Get up. Get up. It all starts with you. Nothing's going to happen with you sitting there. Nothing's going to happen with you laying there thinking about it. Nothing's going to happen. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. I hope that you guys liked it, and I hope that this helps in some sort of way. But thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. And girl, get up.